Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out this electric dethatcher, so let's dive in. Now to open it up, you can see all the items you have in here. You have all of the manuals and then all the parts and pieces you're going to use to put this together. And the good thing about this, it doesn't take a super long time to put together, which is nice. And I'll show you guys how we're going to do this. So it's super easy. You're just going to connect the arms first with just a couple of screws, a little bit of hardware in there. Then you'll do the other side as well. And like I mentioned, it's not super hard to do this. So super easy. Just go ahead and knock that out. Then you'll do the other side as well. Once you've gotten that, you can put your clips on. This is just going to hold your wires, make sure that they stay where they need to. They're not going to kind of move all over the place, but they're going to connect and clip in right on the arms here. Then once you've done that, you're going to grab the ends of these and stick it right onto the main harness right here. So it just kind of sticks on there, hooks in, and then you'll screw them in just to make sure they stay nice and tight. And this might take a little finagling, just kind of moving these around, getting the correct angle. As you can see, you'll need this type of angle right here because it will be able to be set up in a couple different ways. So you want to make sure that you have the correct angle so that once it gets screwed in, it is ready to roll. So you just make sure both of these little sides are tight, all the screws are tight, and then you are ready to go and knock out the bag. Again, super easy. The bag just kind of slides on there and locks in place, and the top little compartment kind of holds it in. Then next, all you have to do is plug this in. It has a nice little safety feature. You can hook your plug around there. And here's how you actually set this dethatcher in. If yours comes with nothing on it, or again, maybe it had the other Scarifier, which I'll show you in just a second, you're just going to unscrew this little screw here on the end, slide this piece in, and then screw it back in nice and tight, and then you should be ready to roll. And once you've done that, then you are ready to roll. As you can see, it already has started grabbing a ton of grass right here. And what this dethatcher does is actually runs over your lawn and helps open up your lawn, helps clean up weeds, and helps clean up different leaves and other pieces of grass or any kind of thing that might be sitting in there. And so what it's doing is it's actually giving your lawn a little bit more open space and a little bit more of opening so that it can grow, so light can get down there, moisture, and every kind of thing like that. So it's a great way, again, to open up your lawn and get everything started for the spring. So again, it's a great thing just to help get your lawn clean and prepped and ready for the growing season. So I just did a couple passes and I wanted to show you guys what it looks like after just a few minutes of doing this. You can see if you have a nice and lush lawn, when you make a few passes of this, you can see a ton of thatch. So what you'll do is just go ahead and take that out and throw it somewhere else. I did want to show you guys that there are multiple settings. You got 5 settings here, whichever setting you want, as deep as you want to go or as light as you want to go. And there's also multiple ways that you can set up the top as well. So whichever one you'd like to. But then once you are done dethatching, they also have this other item in here called a Scarifier. And what this actually will do is actually open up your lawn even more. It will get down deep into the roots and open up so that moisture and everything can get down in there. And so the way to change this out is you're just going to unscrew this little piece right here. Once you're done taking the blade off, then you'll switch it out. So just like we saw with the dethatcher, this is going to again help improve lawn health. It's going to open everything up. After you've gotten a lot of that thatch off, now you'll be able to get in there and get a little bit deeper. This way you'll be able to open everything up and it will be nice and clean. So here is a couple runs for the Scarifier as well, just opening things up even more than the dethatcher did. You'll get a lot more kind of ground cover opening and other items like that. So again, this is a great way to get your lawn prepped and ready for the summer, get everything open and semi-aerated so that you will have some growth as well once the grass starts growing, which is, again, a great thing you're definitely going to need to do in the spring and maybe even a couple other times as well, especially if your lawn is really thick and really has a lot of other items in it. You make sure you want to do this a couple times so it gets really nice and clean. But overall, I think this is a great addition to anyone's lawn. It's a great way to kind of clean everything up. You're going to open up so that you are able to get some of the moisture and then also get some new growth as well for the springtime. This thing works really well. It is electric, which is I'm kind of not used to, but it works really well. Either way, you just need a long cord and it's great because it's not super loud, but it is pretty strong. So I highly recommend that you check this out. I definitely think it will help you guys out and get that lawn nice and lush. I have a link and any codes down below if you're interested in checking this out. Also, if this video is helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe. You can also check out another video right here, and I will see you over there.